Bloom Cert Higher Level 2017, Paper 2, Question 3, deals with the centroid of a triangle. And our knowledge of geometry is that a centroid goes from the vertex to the midpoint of the other side. So the vertex to the midpoint. And where these three lines cross are 2, we only need 2 to find the centroid, is the centroid of a triangle. So we're asked to find P here. Now I think a translation works best here. We're going from A to G to P. So the centroid also divides, just draw this one in as well, divides all of these lines in a ratio of 1 to 2. So this length here, they'll go over in blue, this is 2 times the length of this one. So let's see what the jump is from A to G. We're going from 0 on my X to 2/3. So that's twice the length of the next jump. So the next jump has to be 1/3. So if I add on 1/3, I'm going to get to 1. And my Y value goes from 6 to 4/3. Well, let's just call this over 3. We'll call this 18/3. So we can do it in thirds. So 6 18/3 goes to 4/3, and that's a drop. That's minus 14/3. So to get down another 14/3 will be twice the jump. So we've got to jump half of that. 14/3 is one jump, so we're going down another 7/3. So minus 7/3 is just going to be, so we're going down 7/3. 4 minus 7 is 3. Minus 3/3 minus 1. So that's going to be this point here. Point P. 1 minus 1. In part B, we're asked to find the coordinates of B. So we can see we're going from C to P to B. So C, P, B. C is 4, 2. P is 1 minus 1. So my X value, I'm going down 3. So go down another 3. Minus 3. We're going to go from 1 to minus 2. My Y value is going from 2 to minus 1. So it's going down 3. Go down another 3. They're both going down 3. We're going to get to minus 4. So B has to be minus 2 minus 4. In part C, we're asked to prove that C is the orthocenter. So the orthocenter is where we draw a line from a side, from a vertex to the side opposite, and it creates a right angle. Now, if C is the orthocenter, it would mean that this angle in here would have to be 90 degrees. So to prove that this angle is 90 degrees, we get the slope of AC and the slope of BC. So we want the slope of AC and the slope of BC, and if the product of these slopes is minus 1, we can say that C is a right angle, and therefore C is the orthocenter. So AC, I have 0, 6 and 4, 2 as my 2 points. The change in Y, we can see here by the diagram that it's a minus slope. The change in Y is 4 and the change in X is 4. So the slope of AC is minus 1. BC, we have minus 2 minus 4, and we have 4, 2. So my change in Y is 6. My change in X is also 6. That's equal to 1. So we could say the slope of AC multiplied by the slope of BC is minus 1 by 1, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the angle BCA or ACB is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, C is the orthocenter. So a little bit of knowledge about geometry made this question really straightforward.